Hello, I'm Andrew Urban from My Urban Home Team and Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to 228 Carlisle Way in Benicia, California. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is almost 1,900 square feet and is very well kept. As you'll see, it has a very beautiful private backyard and is on a really nice quiet street. So come and have a look through this home with me right now. So as we look around the neighborhood right here on Carlisle Way, now we're looking northeast. We see this really nice neighborhood, quiet street. Now we're looking west, southwest. Let's have a look through this really nice house. As we walk into the front entrance, we see there's a spacious entrance lobby, and to the left is the living room and adjacent dining room, with a very nice view into the backyard. And then here would be into the kitchen. From the dining room, we move into the kitchen. It has a really nicely upgraded kitchen, Corian countertops. Has a really nice look with an electric stove and a beautiful view out the window to the backyard. Really adjacent is the family room, and from here we go to the downstairs bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. Currently being used as an office, and then we go into the downstairs half bathroom. At the top of the stairs we see the master bedroom. Really nice views, bright sunshine in the afternoons, nice views of the backyard and the open space. And we look here into the master bathroom. Big walk-in closet. And then the upgraded master bath, shower and vanity area with a really nice walk-in shower. Also at the top of the stairs is bedroom number 2. That also looks out on the backyard. And bedroom number 3 that looks out towards the front of the house, and you can see across the street a nice outlook, greenery, trees. The second full bathroom is this one here at the top of the stairs with a vanity and a shower over the tub. In the backyard, here we have this peace and quiet, some large eucalyptus over there at the other side of the small bit of open space, and otherwise a nice lawn, a beautiful patio right here. It's just a wonderful location.